Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you 7 different clever ways to organize your Christmas decorations. Are you a kind of person who likes to pack up before New Year's or after New Year's? I'm definitely a before New Year's, so I would like to share with you my little hacks. So let's begin with the first one. So number 1 is vacuum seal decoration. So I got this Space Saver storage bag that's a vacuum seal bag. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty big and it has a little nozzle where you put the vacuum. So every year I have my tree and I have a whole bunch more decorations that are laying from the side that I didn't use, and this is pretty much all I use every year. And if I decide to go with these colors again, this is all I'm gonna need. So I threw them all in this bag, and you have to lay them nice and flat like that, because if I have it like this, then next year they're ready to go. All you do is add your vacuum and it sucks out all of the air and keeps it nice and amazing. Like, how stinking cool is that? You just throw the lid right back on and bada bing, bada boom, these are ready for next year. They won't be damaged in any way. I can store them really nicely and easily. No mold, no dust, no mildew. Perfect. So number 2 is a shoe organizer for flowers. So I have a ton of flowers I love to put around my house during Christmas time. And I'm actually getting so much, and a lot of these are from Dollarama and Dollar Tree, but I hate kind of just throwing them in a basket, which is what I've been doing. And it's so decluttered all the time. So I have this shoe organizer that I had laying around. So I literally just went ahead and put all of the flowers in there, and it makes it so easy to know what I have. And then every year I won't buy excess because I'll know exactly how much I have. I'm gonna add my other flowers in here too, but I love how organized and beautiful this actually looks. So number 3 is a gift wrap organizer. Oh my goodness, I have been eyeing these up for some time. These are amazing. I definitely recommend, if you don't have one of these, definitely you need one in your life. This is amazing. Look, it has all my tubes of wrapping paper, all the bags in one spot there, all the extra little things there, and the cards. So this has saved me so much space in my house. I was able to get rid of an entire container and put everything. And the beautiful thing is, you can just fold it on up and zip it, and then that's it. And I just kind of store it into my basement. And this is something that I only need to use, in December. I have all my Christmas ones. I actually bought another one for regular wrapping paper, but it's perfect. It's out of the way and so easy to use. Next up is color coordinated or clear storage. So I got these bags. So obviously you're not maybe gonna get the exact same ones, but you can see they're red and green and they have a clear top. So what I recommend for you is getting either like a red or a green basket or a clear basket to see everything. So this is my Christmas decor this year, so you can see everything. I literally put every single item I had in my living room into those bags, except for the stuff on the tree, because I already showed you that was in that. But you can see I have these tree cones that I made and these gnomes that I made, a little DIY, and the garland there, and the wreaths there, the stockings, the runner, the wreath there, the table runner, more of the blankets, the pillow covers, every single thing on there I was able to put into these bags into different types of categories. So yeah, I would say having like clear or red or green, because I've been normally storing these in baskets or buckets or storage bins, I guess, is that what you'd call them? And every year I forget what I have, and I'm like, oh, it's always a surprise to figure out what actually I have in there. So I found these round circular red and green with a clear lid. So I love it because I can actually see what I have. And I actually stored those too, my picture frames as well, and everything on this table that I decorated, even the centerpiece I was able to store. So these were huge. And yeah, so again, if you can figure out color coordinated or clear, so in here I put all my buffalo red plaid, so whenever I need that, if I want to do that again next year, it is ready to go. I put all my trees in here, so that's all ready to go. And I put basically all the other miscellaneous type of items in there, and these can stack up on each other. Mine wasn't super full. Again, these are huge, so they can hold so much. They literally hold my entire kitchen and living room items. So it's amazing, and definitely would recommend that you can see what you have. Next up is a water bottle bead holder. So if you have these type of beads that you throw around anywhere on a mini tree, using water bottles are so awesome to store them, and that way they don't get detangled with other ones. That used to be always the problem. So you can see it in here. It's nice and even. You can store, there's 2 actually in there, so it's nice and wrapped up and don't have to worry about it going anywhere. Number 6 is keeping the original packing for items. So a lot of times the packaging can be unique. So you can see I have these little bell around the tree, and they are such a nightmare if they touch each other. They get so tangly. So I just kept the original packaging and just put it right back in, and that makes it for easy storage, and because it's made for it. So sometimes the packaging, keeping it is a good idea. And my last little idea here is egg carton organization. So if you have a smaller tree, for example, or small precious ornaments, keeping them in egg cartons allows them to be organized and safe. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Which is your favorite organization hack? Till next time, bye-bye.